I did it again. So it was the middle of the night, I was tired, I hit buy now. I should have slept on it. We know I do this, people. Tell me how to stop. I almost lost $1,600 to a dishonest luxury handbag seller, but the folks at Vestiaire Collective saved me from this near miss. I'll tell you how. Let's get into it. Hey gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Kate and I like to shoot luxury fashion, handbag, and lifestyle videos. If any of those topics pique your interest and you like the vibe I've got going here, I'd love it if you'd do me a solid and click that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen to join me every week for new videos. So I've done my research, and the fashion community is pretty divided right down the middle on how they feel about shopping pre-loved handbags on Vestiaire Collective. So Vestiaire Collective is an online platform that allows both professional and individual people to sell luxury goods to buyers, much like eBay. Except in this case, the company has authenticators who receive the goods from the sellers, inspect them for quality control and authenticity before passing them along to the buyers. So you pay them a little commission for the service they provide there. So the commission fee just gets added to your purchase. It's really no big deal, and I really appreciate the service they're providing me by authenticating this item. I don't know how to do that, and I don't want to receive counterfeit crap. However, there are several people out there who have stories on YouTube, and you can search their videos about being disappointed with their shopping experiences on Vestiaire. I've listened with an open mind, but in my case, I owe them a 20-acre thank you for the money they saved me. So you folks who are regulars around these parts might remember a video I posted a couple of weeks ago entitled 2021 Luxury Wish List. Come virtual shopping with me. I'll post an I button up here in case you need a refresher. So in that video, I'm just having a bit of fun listing the luxury goods that I'm interested in and been eyeing and hoping to manifest into my life somehow through intense savings, even though I work an entry-level job. Facts. So one of the items on that list was the J.W. Anderson Pierce bag in the medium size in black leather. Almost as soon as that video went live, I found that bag on Vestiaire Collective via my alert system. It was being advertised as new with tags, which I'll admit was a bit strange for a bag that's about 5 years old. I mean, who buys a bag brand new and then sits on it for 5 years without wearing it once? No judgment, I guess it happens, but it did raise a tiny little inkling of a red flag to me. However, I jumped at the chance to add this bag to my small but meaningful collection. It was listed at what I thought was a great price until I converted the American dollars to Canadian, added the taxes and the shipping and the import duties, then it wasn't such a steal. But that's not the point of this story. The bag was also non-refundable, which, pay attention to that. In the fine print, if it says non-refundable, red flag. So what this means, non-refundable, is that if I receive this bag that I've never seen in person and it doesn't live up to the expectations I had or that the seller promised me in the pictures, that I can't return it to them and get my money back. My only option would be to have Vestiaire relist the item on their website for sale at the same price for which I purchased it, and they won't take a commission. So I should get my money back. Meaning I would have to wait until somebody else saw that bag on Vestiaire, wanted it, and bought it before I would see any money back. And who knows how long that would take. Red flag. So knowing all of this, I press on. I'm deliriously tired. It's 2 a.m. on a weeknight. My alarm goes off at 5 a.m. I have a caffeine hangover, a sinus headache, and my plantar fasciitis is acting up. So I'm feeling like I really deserve this bag. And against my better judgment, I buy it. As soon as the sale goes through, I have instant buyer's remorse. In no way was this a good idea. I do not have the money for this. Little did I know, there was a tiny loophole that would save me. A few days go by, I get over it, and I'm genuinely starting to get excited about receiving my new old bag. An email from Vestiaire lands in my inbox with some news. They say, "Hello, Kate. How's your day going?" I say, "Great. How's your day going, Vestiaire? Nice to chat with you. What's up with my bag?" They say, we've got some bad news. We are in the process of inspecting your bag, and it is in fact not new with tags. It's got marks and scratches and scuffs on it. In fact, it's looking pretty beat up. So Vestiaire re-evaluated the bag to be worth less than I paid for it and offered to refund me the difference and still ship me the bag if I still wanted it. If I still wanted it? I don't want some beat up old crappy bag in my collection. I want new with tags, as I was promised. But I chose another route. Given that I was not being provided what I was promised by the seller, Vestiaire has a loophole that says I can, in fact, opt out of the sale if after their inspection of the bag it doesn't match what the seller provided. Well, I did just that. I said no. I don't want this bag. Please cancel this sale from this SOB. And Vestiaire did just that. A mere 48 hours later, Vestiaire Collective graciously refunded me my $1,600 and it landed back in my bank account. The moral of this story: do not be naive when it comes to online shopping. There are people out there who will beg, borrow, lie, cheat, and steal. And by that I don't mean be pessimistic. I'm a glass is half full kind of gal here too, but it just means be cautious. Given the choice, I will always buy new to avoid headaches such as these. But when a bag is no longer produced, buying pre-loved is really my only option. So my advice here is to do your research. Use companies like this, like Vestiaire, who have loopholes that protect you, the buyer, because this is your hard-earned money. Protect it. So that's the story all about how my life got turned upside down by shopping for the first time on Vestiaire Collective. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please feel free to watch any other videos I have in my lineup or on my playlists to tide you over until Thursday when I post next. See you then. Bye!